Hi, my beautiful tribe. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Happy St. Patty's Day. I've got the green on for us today for luck and money manifestations because I've been doing that myself. And I actually had one come to fruition today, which was just a really fun day for it to come to fruition on. So I'm super excited. So y'all stick around for my channel. Please subscribe. Manifestation is a real learnable skill, and I just want it for everyone. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. This is going to be Dream Messages Edition. So I'm spiritually gifted. I get messages from spirit all day long and all night when I sleep as well. I love the gift of dreaming. It is a strong one for me. I don't share the dreams that are just specifically for me, just unless there's really valuable information in there for the collective. But other than that, I'm just really going to share collective messages. So I'm going to share my dream and who I am picking up on, and then we're going to help you work through this message and this challenge. And it is my intention that it makes you feel better and clear at the end of it. One last thing, my name is Lindsay. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm in love with self and spiritual development. If you need anything from me, that's all going to be in the description box below. There's an amazing course that changed my life in particular. I learned more in that course than I ever did in college, and that was just in 3 weeks alone. So that is there for you. You can get started with affiliate marketing, your online business, making passive income. You can do it faceless, no subscribers, no followers, a complete beginner, just like I did. And that's all going to be there. There's also an amazing book that helps you upgrade spiritually if you're looking for light codes. And you can also click on the vision board as well too, because I am a very big believer in vision boards. So you will find that all in the description box below, as well as the about section. Anything else on self-development and manifestation, you're all going to find in my videos. And so with that said, let's get started. So in my dream, I was in a swamp. It was very scary looking, very dark. I was standing in water. There was high grass. It was very murky, muddy. It was a full-blown swamp. And I am kind of drudging my way through it. And in my dream, I look down, and all of a sudden I see my little dog, who has now passed, wading in the water with me and standing in between my feet, my legs. And I was like, okay, well, I need to make sure I protect you, right? That was my first thought. And so we're kind of going through it together, and then all of a sudden, this monster crocodile looking creature I see out of the corner of my eye, and it was at the last second. I didn't see it coming or anything. And so I think that could possibly be part of the message as well. It kind of looked like a lizard, a crocodile, but it was swimming, and its teeth were a lot longer and a lot sharper. It was very scary looking, and I barely caught it out of the corner of my eye just as it was coming for my dog and opening its mouth right around my little dog's neck. And so, I did the only thing that I could in that moment, which is that I just immediately reached down and stopped his jaws right before he chomped down on my dog. And I was just holding his jaw open and trying to get my dog to swim and to go and get out of the way, because all I could do was hold open his mouth with all of my might, right? And so I knew in my dream that I wasn't going to be able to do it by myself. And so I started praying to Source and my spirit team. I knew I was going to need the help, and adrenaline kicked in. I just had this moment where I was like, I'm about to lose it, but I know that if I do, I'm going to lose my dog, and I am never going to be able to live with this. And so the strength kicked in, the help from spirit kicked in, and I finally just ripped its jaw open just enough so that my dog could get away. And I felt this like second of relief before I woke up. And y'all, when I tell you I woke up, I mean, this hasn't happened to me in a while. I was sweating so profusely. I was so hot. I was shaking. I was trembling. My arms were sore. Okay. I haven't worked out my arms in about 2 weeks. Running is the only thing that feels good to me right now. So yeah, it was, which is interesting too. So, whoever I'm picking up on today, and y'all, please remember to take what resonates. If this isn't your message, the next one might be, or there may be bits and pieces of this message that are for you, or there just may be a valuable lesson, around fear, which we can all take something from, right? So just remember to take what resonates, and there will be plenty of dream message editions. So keep coming back for that. But with that said, whoever I'm picking up on today, I really feel like you have really been through it. I feel like definitely something you're learning, a difficult lesson around fear. So, fear is fake evidence appearing real, right? So I feel like there was definitely a big lesson around fear that you are releasing. Maybe you are coming back really to source love. You are understanding your limitless nature now. You've shed some old beliefs and mindsets. Whatever it is, though, I feel like it really, really put you through it. It was some very difficult energy. Now, the other thing that may be true is it may be a relationship, a community that you're in. It may be a job. It may be a family dynamic. If it's not, a mindset or a belief, it can definitely be something in the physical, right, that has really, really put you through it, has been extremely challenging and unhealthy, and, maybe even given you like a little bit of PTSD, maybe it has really, really had you in fear and worry and confusion for a really long time. But what I'm getting is that you have either made it out, or you are very, very, very close, and you just need to hang on because your new beginning is right around the corner, okay? So if you can just hang on, believe me, I think that this is really happening a lot in the collective, so it's important to get grounded, go out in nature. Y'all, that has been totally saving me lately, is my nature walks, because I've mentioned before that I'm very, very grateful for my home, but I am uncomfortable where I live, and I am manifesting a move. But so, it could be something similar to that. But whatever it is, I am really getting that it has really, really worn you out. And I think you need a break. I think you need some rest. I feel like whatever you can do to take a break and get some rest, I really feel like it may reboot you, it may refresh you, because I am getting that whatever it was that you are about to make it out of or have made it out of has really taken it out of you. And it is okay to hit the refresh. I know it may be hard to take a break, but it is so important, y'all, to train our bodies as if they're an animal. Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about this all the time. We have to learn to control our bodies and our minds, or else they control you, the same way that in the morning, the first thing you'll do is reach for your phone rather than practicing 5 minutes of silence and the feeling of gratitude, right? It takes practice. So same thing with taking a break, whatever you can do, even if it's just for a day. I am really being guided to tell you that it is going to be like a night and day difference for you. The other thing that I am getting is, whenever you get to the other side of this, right? And whether it is a new you, a new mindset, a new belief, whether it's you in a new job, a new community, a new location, whatever it is, I am also getting that you may need to get away after that. It doesn't have to be anything big. If you can take a vacation, that would probably be the best thing ever. But if you can't, and you can just take a little weekend road trip, do it, okay? Definitely do that for yourself. Again, I really feel like it is going to reboot you. And I think that also it's just going to solidify this new energy of freedom and gratitude that you're in for your new beginning. Okay, you're free, you made it, you are very close to this energy if you are not there yet. And then just take a break, get some rest, and go away. Okay, you deserve it. And also, y'all, just going back to what I was saying in the beginning of this video, if you are interested in specifically a video about money manifestation, let me know in the comments. I'd love to make that. I do have lots of ideas, of course, but that one can certainly be bumped up to the top if that's something that y'all are interested in. So thank you so much for watching. I really, really hope that this was helpful. Again, take care of yourself. Remember that fear is an illusion. You absolutely have the ability to pick your own truth and decide what you want to do with your own mind and your own body that day, okay? Don't be primed by your environment. You're in charge of the energy, okay? I love you so much, and take care of yourself, please. And I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video, okay?